I recently went on a short trip with my mom, and we stood in a 5-star hotel. And that actually gave me a lot of ideas on what I could improve in my own business, even though I'm not in the hotel business at all. But just raising your standards, having the luxury, the quality around you raises your standards, and also that reflects in your business, because it gave me a lot of ideas of how I could raise the standards and the quality of my business. It's all about service. It's all about the details. Give your customers the best. Strive to be the best in your industry. So I really recommend that everybody, they try to raise their standards. Even if you can't afford to stay a long time in a 5-star hotel, just maybe go in the lobby, feel the atmosphere, look at the service of the employees that they're giving to their guests, and maybe have a cup of coffee there, or if you can, stay one night there. It really it changes your mindset, and it's all about changing yourself in order to, you have to become someone else in order to get something else. So in order to be a 7-figure entrepreneur, for instance, you have to actually change yourself and become that person before you receive the money. So you have to become that 7-figure entrepreneur that gives 7-figure services to your clients before you can actually get those clients, before you can get clients that will pay that amount of money to you. So you have to raise your standards. Give me a like, follow, subscribe.